Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ghost for monetization setup, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Ghost website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password. After registering, verify your email through the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Log into your Ghost dashboard using your new credentials. Navigate to the Settings section on the left side of your dashboard. Select Monetization from the drop-down menu. Here, you will find various options for setting up your monetization strategy. Choose between memberships, subscriptions, or one-time payments based on your content goals. If you select memberships, click on Enable Memberships. You will be prompted to configure your membership settings. After configuring, make sure to save your changes. Next, head to the Payments section under the Monetization settings. Select your preferred payment provider, such as Stripe or PayPal. Follow the instructions to connect your payment account to Ghost. Once your payment provider is linked, you can set up your payment processing details. Make sure to review your subscription details for accuracy. You can also customize your member onboarding experience in this section. After finalizing your settings, return to the dashboard. Test your new monetization setup by previewing your membership options. Invite a few trusted users to join and review their experience. Once you're confident in your setup, officially launch your monetization features. Keep track of your analytics to monitor your membership growth and engagement. Regularly update your content and offerings to keep members engaged. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.